What's going on, YouTube? BQAGGIE back again to bring you yet another mail day for Friday, February 19th, 2010. Before I begin, I just wanted to apologize that this one is not shot in HD. Sabrina, my wife, she is doing solo and ensemble contest with her orchestra this weekend, so she had to take the HD camera with her to record the performances. So this one works all fine and good. We'll just do it with what we have. So anyway, first up, these are all trades, or two of the three trades were done on klutzenchar.com. And this first one is with a new user, a brand new user on klutzenchar.com. His name is Andrew, and his username is I'm a Pens fan. And he was able to send me some cards to help me complete my sets that I am building. Sets I'm building are 0506 as well as 0708 SP Authentic. And I was able to conduct a trade to which I got the Ryan Getzlaff, Eric Johnson, Peter Kalus, and as a PC pickup, Mailday Parise Glacial Graph. So go Team USA. Next up is a trade also on klutzenchar.com that I made with Hockey Stud 223. And I was also able to trade for some cards that I need for my sets. Zach, knock it off! Sorry, my dog's going psycho. Stephen Meyer. Ryan Carter. Andrew Alberts. Patrick Marlowe. And then he threw in some extras. Let's see what we have here. Mike Modano. Brad Richards. James Neal. And the newest Dallas star, Kari Lettman. So thank you, Hockey Stud. Nice to know that there's another hockey collector in the state of Texas. Good to see. And the next trade I did on Sports Card Forum with Gretzky 99, and I picked up a Jack Johnson Autofax. So that's my mail day for today. Appreciate it as always for tuning in. I sincerely appreciate you guys subscribing as well. Make sure that if you haven't already, please go check out klutzenchar.com. And that does it. That pretty much wraps up my mail day. So appreciate you guys tuning in, and I'll catch you again in the future. Take care.